good.
Hey music lovers, welcome to G-Force Records. Just so you
You'll be opening towards you automatically. Please continue moving all the way forward, filling any and all available space you see. Thank you. We hope you enjoy your tour of G-Force Records.
All the way in and all the way across, please. All the way in, all the way across. Thank you guys.
You can see Aerosmith is here. No Muppets today, don't worry about that. Just keep moving all the way forward, all the way in, and all the way across, please. All the way across. All the band asks is no flash photography at this time, and no sitting, standing, or stage diving off of the silver handrails in front of you or behind you. Now, yes, I know what you're thinking. Yes, they do look 30 years younger, and yes, I want their secret. Have fun.
Company. Wow. All right.
Two people.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey,
What's that? Hey, how
what are
you
you
doing?
guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Make sure they know this.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Hey, Steven!
Hey.
What about the backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Okay, folks, the show is over.